welcome to Custom Truck Creations YouTube channel. So today, the product that we're going to be going over is Moto Wolf's little motorcycle camera bracket. This comes in a little box, and just kind of bring it up to light. So this thing's supposed to be a little 360 rotation. You can actually mount it to the handlebars itself. I'm not really too fan of some of the brackets that go straight into your actual mechanism between with your clutch or to your actual turn signal stuff. So I'm not too comfortable taking those off. So today we're going to go over the actual contents of the box as well as mounting it to the handlebars for what it comes with. So let's go ahead and get started. The contents itself come with an actual wrench, different sizes that actually go around handlebars. Small one versus a big one, of course, probably 1.5 inches, whatever it is for the actual size bracket. The actual bracket itself, your 360 one, comes fully assembled. Pretty cool little packaging. So, seems pretty sturdy for how it kind of is. Lay that off to the side, and then the actual backings to it as well. Kind of hard to see a little bit, but there we go. So we're going to go straight into mounting it. Alright, let's give it a test run.